here in the icon community of Levity here at Tustin Legacy, and we are going to go tour their Residence 1X model. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and approximately 1,938 square feet. It has a half of a wraparound balcony on the second level. It is tri-story, and I think you're gonna love it. So let's go take a look. This model is amazing. The homes are amazing, and I will tell you, it is the least expensive detached home that they have here in Levity. So let's go take a look. If you want to take a tour, if you want to see this model in person, call me, text me, email me, and I'll be happy to set that up for you.